Okay, Jake, we're going to see if you can show Aunt Robin how you know the letter sounds that Daddy doesn't know. Okay, ask him a letter.
Daddy?
Yeah.
What does T say?
Oh, he did get T. Ask him what letter, what does letter A say?
What does letter A say? No.
What does it say?
Ah!
Ask. Like.
No, wait.
Wow.
Hold on. Oh, yeah. How about ask him what letter O says?
O say?
Ooh.
No.
What does letter O say?
What does letter O say?
You know.
Ah!
Show Aunt Robin how you know it.
Ah! Ah!
Good job. Let's see. What does letter I say?
What does letter I say? You did it.
It's close.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, any more you want to ask him? What's E say? What? Do it. Ah, Daddy got it.
Are you ready?
Oh, gosh, you're good at this game. Wait, I got one that you don't know. G.
Look.
No.
It does say that, but what's the other sound it says? Remember? Like the green girl that drinks green juice?
No, I was saying go.
Yeah, do it.
I was saying that.
Show me.
Go, 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 go.
How about B?
Go, go. Woo, woo. You want to feel it?
Yep. Good job.
What do you say?
Ooh.
No, you did that one.
Oh.
You got it.
How about the letter W?
Good job.
How about S? Oh, I know when you don't know. X.
You're right.
Then.
How about Z?
How about P?
What? Pop.
Pop.
How about
Ooh, H.
That's what little guy said.
Yeah, popped off. How about H?
Jeez, Jake, that's good. What about J?
I know that one.
J is for? What is that?
Achy. J is for Jakey. Then push.
Anything else you want to tell
How
Aunt
about
Robin?
the letter N?
Oh, yeah.
That's a hard one.
I don't know that one. I don't know that one.
No. Oh my gosh.
It says both sounds. It says no. No.
Yeah, like Oh, what's L say?
I don't know that one.
Ooh.
I don't know that one.
What about B?
But oh.
What about K? I mean K. What about C? That's right, kick. What about C?
And
What about C?
What about sports? and football. When do we get in?